Spa bath at 30 Yarmouth Road. To push the plug down, rotate this knob here. If you want to run the bath water, make sure this lever is in the down position. Taps clockwise for on the hot, anti-clockwise to turn it off. The cold, anti-clockwise to turn it on, clockwise to turn it off. If you want to use the shower head here, lever needs to be pointed up. The tap operation is the same. If you want the lights on in the spa, that's this button here. Click all the way through to turn it off. Spa will work, bubbles, spa will work when this is on and can be adjusted here.